Europe was once an idea born from ruins. After the most devastating war in human history, a simple but radical belief took hold: that nations, so deeply intertwined economically, would never again turn their guns on one another. That belief became the European Union. Yet today, that same union faces a growing rebellion from within. Borders are tightening, national flags are rising, Eurosceptic parties are winning elections, and millions of Europeans are asking a once unthinkable question: is the European Union still worth it? Is this a temporary crisis, or the beginning of the end of Europe's grand experiment? The European project didn't begin as a political empire. It began as a peace mechanism. In the aftermath of World War II, leaders in